Alright, stage 5, goal 2. Look at that. We can skip it for free, which generally means they messed up something. And from what I understand, it's an endurance event where you have to overtake, as you can see, 8 cars without going off track or colliding, and of course have to win. But the problem is the overtake counter doesn't work, so no, it doesn't matter what you do, it's always gonna stay at 0. So since I already know there's a glitch with this event, here, I'll show you real quick. So it says you have to win and overtake 8 cars. So, and the distance I have to run is 4.7 kilometers. But since overtake counter doesn't really work, it's kind of a moot point. You know what I mean? Here, check this out. We're going, and we're gonna start overtaking. Okay, maybe. Oh, it's the junior course. For some reason, I was thinking this was a road course. I should pay attention. Well, anyway, we overtook 2 cars. Still, counter stuck at 0. So you see how this is going down, and it's going downhill pretty quickly. So if you get to this part of the event and come across this issue, you should realize that they understand that this is problematic. So they have fixed it by essentially allowing us to skip this goal for free. So I would recommend doing that, but just for the fun of it, I'm just gonna run the distance here and at least win the event. So it's like 4 kilometers and change. But yeah, so occasionally this isn't the first, this isn't the only instance where they kind of messed up and decided to just let us pass the goal for free. So there we go. Yeah, I didn't even count how many cars I overtook since the counter wasn't working, and from what I understand from my other account is that it just simply doesn't work. So that's that. So it doesn't matter how many times you try, it's going to let you down. So instead of getting frustrated, obviously, if you want to race, do. But if you find that you want to save on service, because that's going to be important, right? Then don't bother running. I did just for the sake of YouTube. But yeah, skip right on ahead. That's good enough. Doesn't cost you anything. So moving on.